Christmas in my heart.
Before we get into it, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm trying to hit 5K and I need your help. Also, follow me on Instagram. There I post healthy intentional living tips and more about my businesses. Now, back to the video. What's going on, guys? It's Nicole Charnel here. Welcome to my channel, and I do videos on healthy intentional living. Today's Vlogmas video is on my morning routine before I go to work. So as you see at the beginning of the video, I get up around 5 a.m. and I start my morning with a pre-workout. This one is EVL, the BCAA Energy, and it's in the flavor Fruit Punch. And I use this pre-workout because I'm going to work out. So I just use 2 scoops, and then I mix it with about 6 ounces of water, and then it's time to get going. I am pretty new to supplements, and I just find using the pre-workout really helps me, not just with my energy, but also with curbing my appetite. I do like to intermittent fast, so this helps first thing in the morning, having something on my stomach. So down to the basement I go. I do work out at home, so I go to the basement and I go ahead and change into my workout gear. I am planning on transitioning to the gym in 2022, but for now, working out at home definitely works for me. So I use YouTube for my workout videos and my workout routine. Right now, I've been loving Grow with Jo. I love her walking workouts, and she has such versatility in her workouts, whether you want to work your upper body, your lower body, or you just want to do cardio, high impact, low impact, beginner friendly, dance workouts, whatever it is, Grow with Jo has it, okay? Love her. If you have never done any of her YouTube videos, make sure you check them out. She also has an app. I don't have the app. I just find using the YouTube videos to be helpful, and it keeps me on track, and I love them. So I just use them to work out, and I kind of make my own program. If you want to see how I make my own program, make sure you leave me a comment down below, and I can kind of show you the process of how I put them together to make it easy for me so I know what I'm doing each week for my workouts. Now it's time to stretch. I make sure I stretch after every workout. When I first started working out, I never really stretched at all. I would always kind of skip the cool down and just feel like, oh, I'm going to cool down in the shower. But stretching has been a game changer for me. My flexibility has improved, and like seeing how much more flexible I am because I stretch when I'm warm, and also like my muscles feel so much better after my workout. I have less soreness, so I definitely would recommend stretching to anybody. If you're a beginner, definitely stretch. If you're not a beginner, definitely stretch. I mean, if you're not a beginner, you, I'm sure, have found out that stretching is key. All right, so after my workout, I go ahead and just obviously head to the shower. So around this time, it's about 6 o'clock already. So my workout is 30 to 45 minutes. Really depends on how early I have gotten up that day. But I go ahead and head to the shower. And so on this day that I'm filming is actually on Monday, and I do my weigh-ins on Monday. So I am a part of the Weight Watchers program because I get a huge discount to my job. So I do the weekly weigh-ins, and I love this scale, by the way. It's one of those digital scales, and it connects to your phone. And I actually had lost 1.5 pounds, and I have hit my 20 pounds down goal. Oh my God, I was so excited. I've been working out consistently since September, and I'm down 20 pounds, and it just feels amazing. So after that, I just went ahead and got in the shower and got ready for the day. I do my skincare and all that in the morning. I'm definitely going to be sharing what I do for that, but now on to the rest of the day. So I kind of start my breakfast before I get dressed. I do boiled eggs and then some type of vegetable or starch. So today I decided to do a sweet potato, which I pretty much just peel up, and then I slice them into like fry like shapes, and then I use a little bit of olive oil. This day in particular, I used Old Bay and then Montreal steak seasoning. I love that seasoning. It's super versatile to me. So I use that, and then, like I said, a little bit of olive oil, and then I put them in the air fryer. First of all, if you don't have an air fryer, it is 2021. You need to get one, okay? They are game changers. It changes the game. It works so fast. So I literally can peel my sweet potato, cut it up, put it in the air fryer for about 15-20 minutes, and it's ready to go for my breakfast that morning. However, I do intermittent fast, so I'm actually not going to eat these until like noon. That's when I start my eating window. So I just, leave them in the fridge until then. But I have a boiled egg and some air fried sweet potatoes for my breakfast. Super good start to the day, some protein and some good starch. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're interested in seeing what I eat in the day, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I will be doing a what I eat in a day to lose weight very soon. But other than that, I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas. I hope you're enjoying my channel in general. If you are, please give me a thumbs up. Also, check out the videos I have linked on the screen if you want to see more of me. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!